Hello. So we're going to cover how you're going to take your daily Scratch challenge. So what you do, you log on into scratch.mit.edu. If you have an existing Scratch account, you use that. If you don't, you can create your own Scratch account. Make sure you do this with your parents. When you create your account, you will be giving it an email ID, and scratch.mit.edu will send you an email to verify it. This step is important because only if your account is verified, you can collaborate. That means you can remix other people's projects and you can share your project. And we need to do both of these for this challenge. So let's see, what do we mean by remixing and sharing a project. Right now, for this demonstration, I'm just opening up a Scratch project. On a daily challenge, what you will be doing is, you can see this project with a number. This is the kind of link we will be posting every day with the challenge. So you will open up that particular project. Once you open the project, you will see this remix button, green remix button, and you will click on this. Once the project is remixed, what it means, you get your own copy of this project and you work on that. Once you've finished it, what you do, you share the project. Once you've shared the project, we will be able to see your submission to us. We definitely encourage you to put a comment under the challenge video, also mentioning that you have made the submission, so we do not miss you when we are counting up to send the goodies. You know when we're going to send the goodies? For people who complete the fastest first 10 submission is going to get the goodie. In the given 31 days, people who complete 15, 20, 25, and 30 are eligible to receive goodies. We want you to have fun. Reach out to your friends, ask them also to do this. You hardly need to spend 30 minutes, especially in the first few weeks. Most importantly, have fun this summer. Be safe. Ta-da!